Hey, what's up? My name is Mikey, and I am here to help you figure out AI agents and AI automation before they take over us so that we can leverage them, we can make money, we can help people, we can do cool things. In this video, I'm going to show you the process that I've just figured out that I think is going to help you out a lot, and it makes some things really cool. Now, what I'm talking about is automating social media posting across major platforms with actually good, interesting content and customization as much as possible. And I'm working on developing this out, but I have YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. I also have TikTok and things like that, but I'm not super focusing on that. Okay, so here's how the process works is I create a video and then I'll upload it to a Google Drive folder. Okay. The video then gets automatically transcribed out of
If
this
you use
folder. Okay. It gets transcribed, and I made all of this automation using agent.minimax.io. Okay. I went in here and I told it to grab a video out of this Google Drive folder and then transcribe it and then actually use this, which is getlate.dev, and then it will create a post. And there's actually a queue system in here. So then you can go and it will actually create a post for all of your channels that you want to. And based off of the transcription, it writes a caption in the post. It automatically creates hashtags if you want to, and then it will automatically I need to add Facebook in there, but it'll automatically add a first comment as well. You can add a first comment on each platform, which is helpful. And then also a title, and here it is, and then a custom thumbnail. Now that's supposed to be somewhat looking like me, kind of, but that is using key.ai. And that is because you can use the the Nano Banana API inside of here. This is one of the easiest places to use it. And so it's grabbing that and using that in this whole automation process. So again, I just had it agent.minimax.io. I told it, hey, create an agent that's going to grab a video from this Google Drive folder and then transcribe it, use the transcription, and then use this API. I gave it my API key, the agent.minimax, and it did all this. Use this API, create a post for all of these channels, create a custom thumbnail, make the thumbnail relevant to the actual transcription, make all the comments relevant to the transcription, make it so that it's hyper optimized for conversion, right? I just told that all to agent.minimax.io, and then it made all of that happen. And then anytime I dump a video into this folder here, or it could be any folder you can set up for anything, it will automatically then add to it. Now, one layer that I have not been able to automate yet is this cool app, which is captions.ai, which has this AI editing. Now, there isn't any super great API editing that I can find yet, but then it processes it. You got to do it manual. It'll process it, and then I dump it into here. It just adds cool effects and editing to it. You don't have to do that, but it does make a difference. So then once these are dumped in here, getlate.dev grabs it, uploads it all, and then processes it to all of my platforms. Okay. If you would like a custom strategy for exactly how I did this for your business, for your efforts, whatever you're trying to do, go over to my website, answer a couple questions about what you're trying to do, and then I'll email you exactly this whole process, exactly how you can do it for your adventures and for your projects, right? Agent.minimax.io is how you can come over and how you can get it built. If you got any ideas, I highly recommend you go over to agent.minimax.io and do this to build out. But otherwise, this is your way to automate all your social media content. If you're making real content still and it's not AI driven, you should be making real content as much as possible. But the simplest method is crank out a bunch of videos, dump them into a Google Drive, and then have all the automations run in the back end. Again, the automation should transcribe the video, create a caption, and then automatically post it to all of your social media channels. So go to my website, mikey.ai. I'll give you free plan exactly how you can do this, customized towards your business. Every business needs to do this. So learn how to do this for yourself. And then you can easily go approach businesses or anyone that needs social media help and be able to automate their social media. All right. Thanks so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Go ahead over to Mikey.ai, get your free customized AI roadmap today. I'll see you over there.